Hi. So today I want to share with you how to make money online in 2021 and beyond. Now, this is one of the most searched topics on Google as well as on YouTube and other various platforms, and people are looking at ways through which they can make a lot of money. Now, making a lot of money online is easy but also challenging. Now, let me state off the bat that I am not here to sell you any idea of you buying something or putting your money into something, then sitting down on the beach, then voila, money will begin to flow into your accounts. No, if you are somebody who thinks like that, then this is certainly not the video for you. You can click off and go and watch something else. But I'm here to share with you in today's video 4 key methods or ways through which you can make money online legitimately. Now, let me also state that making money online requires some work. I've heard a lot, and people are like, passive income, passive income, passive income. But let me let you know, true passive income requires some work. It requires some dedication. It requires some sacrifices. But if you're able to put in the work, put in the effort, put in the sacrifices, then you'll be able to have an automated system where you can then start making money whilst you are not there. And these are some of the things that I want to share with you today. Now, somebody may ask me, Nhyira, why should I even think about making money online? Why should I even think about passive income? Now, what you have to understand is that 99% of the populace salary is not enough for them to be able to go through their month. Every time they are not able to make as much money as they are supposed to make in order for them to become successful, in order for them to acquire their dream house, in order for them to buy their dream car, in order for them to take their children even to the best schools of life. It is for this reason why you need to structure out and find out, is there a way that I can make some money whilst I am not quitting my permanent job in the meantime, but I can make some money to supplement myself? Yes, there are various ways, and today I want to share with you 4 key ways that you can make money online in 2021 and beyond. Are you ready for that? Comment in the chat box, comment in the comment section, any questions that you have for me. What are some of the videos you would want me to cover on the channel? What are some of the things you want me to share my thought on? Put them in the comment section. I'm going to read all of the comments and make content for you in that regard. Are you ready? Smash the like button. And in case you've not subscribed to the channel also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification icon. That way, when I release new content on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you will be able to have access to them and have you or be able to help you to become successful. You ready? So let's get into the discussion today and let's go into what it is that we need to discuss. 4 ways of making money online. Number one is to become a content creator. That is what we call social media influencer. But you got to be careful now. Content is everything. Content is everything. Now you can create content on YouTube. I mean, the second search engine in the world after Google. You can create content on Facebook. You can create content on Instagram. You can create content on LinkedIn. And very importantly, you can also create content on TikTok. Now, TikTok is one of the fastest growing platforms today for content creators where people create a lot of content. But let me tell you about content creation. When you are starting to become a social media influencer or you are starting to create content, whether it is blog, using WordPress or using other platforms, or whether it is video or whether it is podcast, all these are content. But you must start from the word go, that you work on your brand. You don't want to make certain content. I've seen a lot of people becoming popular in the negative sense by showing themselves in a certain manner. No, that way you will not be able to get the money that you need to get. You will not be able to get the brand endorsements that you need later on. So right from the beginning of your content creation journey, you must decide the brand that you want to build to yourself. What are the businesses that you would want them to work with you? Start from the beginning in that way. It is very, very critical. Now, you can create content on a lot of subjects. Maybe you like food. And you know how to cook a lot. So you can create content on cooking your favorite meal. Maybe you like to talk about marriage. Maybe you like to talk about technology. Maybe you are fascinated about space. Maybe you are fascinated about anything, whatever topic it is, you can start creating content in that regard. Now, the thing is that once you start creating the content, you start building the audience. Once you start building the audience over time, these audience will be able to be monetized, and that is where you start making the money. That's why you start making the money. Now, in the initial stages, there are ways through which that you can make money, and I'm going to be sharing that with you in another video. But one of the key ways that you can start making money online is to become a content creator. Now, you can look at a couple of role models about content creation on YouTube to give you an idea of exactly what it is that you need to understand when it comes to content creation generally. And these people include the following. Number one is Wodemaya. I mean, this guy is a great guy. He's a YouTuber, content creator, and now his goal is to cover Africa. He visits Africa countries. You can look at Wodemaya's channel, and I mean, you will have a great knowledge, great in depth about content ideas in that case. Another person that you can check out is Jessica OS. I mean, she's also a great content creator. She does a lot of how-to, personal vlog, and other content. Another person you can check out is Kojo Sheldon. I mean, the head is big for a reason. You can check out his channel as well. He reacts a lot of things on current issues. He doesn't do how-tos, but he reacts on current issues and deal with some issues pertaining. Another channel also is Magraheb TV, also a reaction channel, breakdown channel. Then Zion Felix, also interview content in that case. Then another person is Chicha Kwejo. I mean, these are top YouTubers in Ghana that I would want you to check their channels. I've linked it in the description to this video, and you can check them out in that case. And this will give you an idea about the kind of content that you can create on YouTube. Now, I'm not saying copy their style. No, no, no. You are unique. You're different. But have an idea. What Teacher Kwejo does is different. What Zion Felix does is different. What Magraheb TV does is different. What Demaya does is different. What Jessica OS does is different. But they are all content creators, and they are making a lot of money from their channel because they have monetized their channel. And you want to make money online, you can become a content creator and start making some money online. That is the first way of making money online. Another way that you can make money online, number two, is to become a freelancer. Now, according to wikipedia.com, a freelancer, or the word freelancer, it's simply a term used to describe self-employed individual, that is, individuals who are not committed to one employment, but they render their services for a fee in that case. Now, freelancing will come in if you have special skills. Maybe you are trained, you are knowledgeable in something. It could be graphic designing, it could be video editing. I know I need that. It could be script writing, it could be whatever. It could be whatever, voice over. Maybe you have a good voice, or it could be photo shoots, modules, whatever it is that you are specially skilled in, then you can sell that for a fee and people are willing to pay you. Maybe you can be a good virtual assistant, you can be a good virtual secretary. All these are services that are available, and you can do that and earn some money online in that case. And there are a lot of freelancing websites available online that your service can be sold and you can make some money online from these platforms, like freelancer.com, like guru.com, like fiverr.com. All these are freelancing websites that you can sell your service. Note that all these sites have their own terms and conditions, so you have to make sure that you read the terms and conditions thoroughly before signing up for the services or signing up to join their services in that case. I've employed a lot of people on freelancer.com, on guru.com, on fiverr.com to work on various aspects of our brand, of our YouTube channel, of our main YouTube channel. And even on this new channel, we've engaged a lot of people, or a couple of people from these sites, to design various things for us to help us in our branding and marketing issues in that case. So being a freelancer is also something critical there. This is where you are selling your skill, you are selling your services for a fee. And in this day and age, you can get a lot of money doing that, and that will help you to become successful and take your life to the next level. The third thing is you create an online course. Now, this is an advance of being a content creator just on YouTube, writing blogs on WordPress, or being a content creator on other social media platforms. This is where you create an online course. So You remember what I told you about the freelancer thing? You are skilled, you have special expertise, but then there are people that you can teach. So you create an online course. Now, I love this one because, I mean, 98% of the money I make now from my business is because of our online courses in that perspective. Now, this is where you create an online course to teach a specific subject. So it could be a cooking class. It could be a fashion and designing class. It could be specific subjects. Maybe you are good in maths. Maybe you are good in English. Maybe you are good in geography. Maybe you are good in whatever it is, video editing, maybe typing, maybe script writing, whatever it is that you are good at. You create an online course, then people will buy that course and enroll in the course. Now, I know sometimes people are like, who will enroll in my course? Nobody knows me. Yeah, I had that at the beginning of the period, but this is where, if you start with a YouTube channel, right? You start with a YouTube channel, you start creating content, then later on, you now be able to have the online course, then that adds up. So people know you from your YouTube channel. They know that, oh, this guy is good for this. Then if you have an online course, okay, why don't I enroll in the online course and start making money? Now, the good thing about online courses is that you create the thing once, but you make the money over and over again. And it's unlimited the number of students you can have depending on the platform that you use. Now, there are various platforms that you can use to create your courses on and to start teaching people, and you don't have to lay finger on anything. Some of these platforms include udemy.com, teachable.com. Now, these platforms also have their terms and conditions, so you have to be careful to read the terms and conditions carefully to understand what it is and start before you begin to create your online course. But if you're somebody like me who likes to control everything from the platform to the payment gateway, to the content, to the finances, to the charges, you are somebody who likes to control everything like me, then you better create your own platforms. And that is, create your own platform, and that is my platform, and you can check it out, nhyirapremium.com. The link is in the description of this video as well, and you can check it out. And because I like control, I don't like to have a third party do that for me. No, I like control. Now, I like control from on my first website, for instance. I did the same thing, nhyirapremiumuniversity.com. I didn't spend a lot of money on that. I spent virtually just a less amount of money on the hosting of the video, on the hosting of the website. And then the video hosting was what created a couple of things for me. So I need to pay a lot for hosting using Amazon Web Services and other platforms in that case. Then later on, when we were able to build a lot of capacity financially, then we created our own platform, which is the nhyirapremium.com. So you can create an online course to teach something peculiar that you know that people are demanding. Now, I know some of you will say, Nhyira, I don't think I know anything. I don't think I have anything to teach. It will surprise you the things that are taught on some of these platforms. Go to udemy.com, go to teachable.com, and look at the courses that people are teaching, and it will fascinate you. You'll be like, oh, then I have a hobby. I can teach people how to do this. Maybe I cook. I can teach people how to cook. So that is the third way that you can start making money online. So number one, you can be a content creator. Be mindful that from the very beginning, you are being a content creator that brands can pay you millions of dollars to work with you. You need to start with the end in mind. The objective is to be able to make some money later on, not now. That is what I'm telling you, that if you think this is about a get rich quick thing, you're screwed. This is not what I'm here to do for you. I'm not here for any get rich quick thing. No, it's going to take time, but you need to start with the end in mind. Number two, you need to find out and say, hey, I'm a freelancer. I can do. So this thing about, yo, I'm unemployed, I don't have job. No. You can go, you have a skills, you have some expertise. You can go, people will be willing to buy your service, $25 an hour, $40 an hour, or whatever it is an hour they are willing to pay. Even if it is $10 per hour, you start like that. And before you know it, your ratings begins to go up and you start earning more money and more commissions in that case. Or you can decide to say that, hey, I want to create my online course. I want to start teaching people what I know, what I'm good at, and make some money from there. Boom. Then the fourth way that you can make money is trading online. Now, this is very great in this way. This is another way to make money online. Actually, I started making money online by trading online. Now, what I did was to create an online platform using WordPress.com. So, what I thought about was web hosting and buying the domain name, and that was less than $25. And I was able to create a platform myself and posted shoes, and I was using my social media platform as well to post you. So what happens is that when someone place an order, then I receive the order, call the person, then I go and do the delivery for the person in that case. That is how I started making money online. It is called trading online. So maybe you are currently there, you have some money, there is a product you love, or you are looking for a side hustle. You can use Facebook groups, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok to start selling things and be legitimate about it, be moral about it. Not that people will place an order or people will send you money, then you don't deliver the product to them. No, that way you are being crook, you are being illegal, and you cannot be wealthy, you cannot be successful, you cannot build any brand lying to people. No, you got to be honest in doing all of these things. You got to be honest in doing all of these things. If it is a shoe and it is this shoe, whatever you show the people is what you are going to deliver to them. Not that they send you money, then you deliver something else to them and they become bored with you. No, you want to build a brand, you want to build a life, you want to build something that is solid, something that can stand the test of time in that case. So that is why you need to make sure that you are doing something solid. And these are the ways that you can start making money online. Now, when it comes to the trading online, there's a new trend coming up called drop shipping. Now, I don't know a lot about drop shipping, so I cannot share my thought really on it now, but probably in the future, after I get an understanding about it, probably I will share my thought on it. But drop shipping is also one of the ways through which you can do online trading. But these are the ways that you need to understand about how you can make money online. So tell me, which of these four will you start doing now? Because I can guarantee you, you can actually start making money today if you decide to pull the trigger. You don't sit down and say there is no job. Don't sit down and say I want an office work. Now, listen, this pandemic has actually made everything very challenging, very difficult, and businesses are not really hiring the way they are supposed to hire. So find out these four ways, which one can I implement today? And I can guarantee you, give yourself a year. By then, you will be able to be solidified. You'll be able to build a brand. You'll be able to have certain followers so that you can begin to monetize and begin to start making some money in that case. Maybe you are thinking about, Nhyira, okay, I want to start a YouTube channel. What do I need? I don't have money for camera. I don't have money for microphone. I don't have money for this. I don't have money for this. Stay tuned because I'm going to share with you how you can start your YouTube channel in another video. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell notification icon and I'll see you again sometime. Bye-bye.